Welcome to the future, where the boundaries between humans and robots are blurring. In this era of technological marvels, one creation stands above them all. A.M.E.C.A, the humanoid robot that's changing everything. A.M.E.C.A is not just another robot. It's a revolution in human-robot interaction. Equipped with cutting-edge features, A.M.E.C.A is designed to be the ultimate platform for developing robotics technologies. With embedded microphones and binocular eye-mounted cameras, A.M.E.C.A possesses a remarkable ability to perceive the world around it. Its chest camera and facial recognition software allow it to interact with people in ways that were previously impossible. But A.M.E.C.A doesn't just observe, it moves with grace and precision. With its incredible walking capability and human-like movements, A.M.E.C.A brings robots closer to emulating us in ways we never thought possible. Imagine stepping into a modern office where A.M.E.C.A serves as your receptionist or personal assistant. Its advanced AI algorithms and facial recognition software allow it to greet visitors, answer their questions, and even schedule appointments seamlessly. A.M.E.C.A effortlessly manages your emails and other administrative tasks, ensuring that your workday flows smoothly. With its binocular eye-mounted cameras and chest camera, A.M.E.C.A recognizes people by their faces, offering a natural and personalized interaction experience. In the heart of a bustling factory, A.M.E.C.A takes on the role of a master collaborator. It navigates complex environments and performs tasks with unparalleled precision and accuracy. Whether it's inspecting products for defects or assembling them on an assembly line, A.M.E.C.A's lightweight design and tireless work ethic make it an invaluable asset to any manufacturing process. Say goodbye to human error and hello to an era of flawless efficiency. Education, too, has embraced A.M.E.C.A's transformative power. As a teaching assistant or tutor, A.M.E.C.A answers questions, provides feedback, and even grades assignments. With its facial recognition software and binocular eye-mounted cameras, A.M.E.C.A recognizes students individually and responds to them in a way that feels natural and engaging. It's like having a personalized mentor by your side. But A.M.E.C.A's ambitions reach beyond Earth's boundaries. Its capabilities extend to the vastness of space, where it plays an integral role in exploration and discovery. From the depths of the oceans to the outer reaches of the cosmos, A.M.E.C.A's versatile nature knows no bounds. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress.